Hello, Lone Star Drift audience. Today is a bit different. First, I'm going to explain something. The Lone Star Drift channel is about the Lone Star Drift series and the drivers, and like a lot of it seemed to be about my adventures and stuff, but that's because I make the channel and it's easiest to have all that content because I'm making it, but I've always wanted it to be about all the drivers and the people associated with it and all that stuff. So I'm going to go on a bike ride today, and Fielding Shredder, one of our drivers, is going to do the video. And he sent me this video as a submission. I thought it was super cool because it kind of just shows like all the damage that his car goes through and then him fixing it. You've already seen him fix it a bunch of times, but I just thought it was really cool. So please enjoy this video. The Lone Star Drift channel is about the drivers and stuff, so you'll see a lot of drivers videos in here. You see Harrison and Patrick and all these people all the time. So bye.
I've got a lot of work ahead of me. I'm starting the mid-season refresh on my car here, and I'm just looking at all the damage. I've got quite a bit of work ahead of me. But what's cool is, all these little scars, they really tell a story. Like this one, for example, tandeming with Naoki at Super D. I would have never guessed that I'd be tandeming with such an iconic driver, someone I've looked up to for years. This was Adam LZ, round 2 last year, in our battle in Pro-Am. Oh, the roof. Houston Police Academy. Hood flew up and smashed it. This mirror was jumping through a shipping container. This was round 1 against a barrier. This trunk was a complete disaster. I can't even show you footage of that. This is me and Rudy at round 2 in our battle for 3rd. What else is there? Oh, this wheel. That's with JR in practice at round 1. Oh, motherfucker. This right here, Super D with some random guy who was stalled out on track. This right here. Oh, this one. This was me versus Spencer. Oh, this wheel got really thrashed. Bumped into Aaron at Harris Hill at about 120 miles an hour. That was fun. This was Nick Novak at the JZX battle.
I love it!
These are just a few of the many battle scars she's endured over the years, and I just wanted to share with you. Today's my birthday. I am 1 year older and still alive, so I've got a lot to be thankful for. Mostly all of the amazing relationships I've made in drifting specifically. I've got the best friends, got a lot of great relationships that I'm very thankful for. So if you're watching this and you've driven with me before, for my birthday, just share a photo or a video of us driving together, of a memory that you have of us together and having a good time driving together. And if we haven't driven together before, then Share with me a memory we have. And if we've never hung out, then let me know what is most memorable about me or this car. Thanks for watching, guys.